Recoding numeric data to text. I would like to make the ordinal variable in C3 binary, having two groups, low and high. First, I can summarize this data by going to Stat, Tables, Tally Individual Variables. This will allow me to see all of the values in the ordinal variable. I'll select the ordinal variable, and for display, it doesn't matter what I check off. What I want to look at are the different values of the ordinal variable. Based on the output, I can see that ordinal is a ranking scale from 1 to 6, 1 being low and 6 being high. I want to change this variable so that it just says low and high. We will use a rating of 1, 2, and 3 for low, and 4, 5, and 6 for high. Minitab can recode the data for us. First, I'll make a new column of data. I'm going to call it ordinal binary so that I know that it's from the ordinal variable to begin with, but I'm changing it to a binary variable. Next, I need to go to Data, Code, Numeric to Text. We want to code data from the ordinal column and I would like to store it in the new column that I made, ordinal binary. Now the original values 1, 2, and 3 we want to call low. We don't have to type them separately. If we type 1, 3, that tells Minitab to include all the values starting at 1 all the way up to 3. Our new name for this is low. We can do the same for the values 4, 5, and 6. 4, 6 tells Minitab that 4, 5, and 6 we want to rename, and the new name is high. When I click OK, this new column of data will appear. Let's say we want to separate the data into two groups, high values and low values, based upon responses to the C1 variable nominal binary. We can go into Data, Unstack Columns. If we unstack the data in the nominal binary variable, using the subscripts as that new variable that we just created, the low and high ordinal binary variable, this will separate the data into the two groups of lows and highs. I'll leave the rest of the default options the same. This will open in a new worksheet. In this worksheet, we can see that we have two columns. One for the high responses, the no's and the yeses, and one for the low responses, the no's and the yeses. You may encounter data that is already organized like this.